What's up, guys? It's your boy Tech Genius here again with another amazing video. Today, we're talking on Introduction to Mobile Repairs Part 2. Hope you enjoyed this video. Let's dive right in. First thing first, I want to say thank you for subscribing to this channel. It has been a great effort. I'm so glad that our first introduction reached 1000 views. In our last video, I did a quick explanation on mobile repairs, which will be in the link in the description below. Some tips that's going to help in mobile repair. First thing first, you need to pay full attention to this work. A mobile repair is not like an easy work. You are not be working online or something. This is a full-time focused job. Attention. You have to pay attention to what you're doing so you don't make mistake that can cause money or cause damage to what you are repairing. Your attention is your number one priority. Number two, we have analysis. In mobile repairs, you need to analyze the fault. You need to analyze what is the problem. How are we going to solve it? What is the good solution to this problem? You need to learn how to analyze your problem to know a solution. Because as they say, for every problem, there's a solution. We have observation or detection. In mobile repairs, you need to detect where the fault or damage is coming from. If you can detect it, you know how to analyze your solution for this. You also need quality standard in mobile repairs. Quality standard, they are majorly categorized into three: basic, standard, and high. If you have basic quality standard, you can only repair some basic problem in a mobile device. That means you need to have your basic tools, your easy basic tools like your screwdriver, soldering iron, soldering paste, multimeter, tester, and so on and so forth. Your standard, you can have an higher level like your PCB board. Your high level, you can have the expensive equipment if you want to start a full business. It all depends on your budget. Okay, now we know all the tips for mobile repairs. I have some of the basic equipment here with me, like the screwdriver, the basic standard screwdriver, the 28-pin screwdriver, the soldering paste, soldering lead, magnifying glass, brush, and soldering iron. Since we know all this, let's talk on the soldering iron. This is the soldering iron right here with me, and this is the 30 watts or 220 volts soldering iron. This is the basic standard pin mount soldering iron. We have here the magnifying glass, used to see things in bigger to see. Like now, I hope you can see it clearly. Let me just zoom in. You can see the screwdriver through the magnifying glass. We have the soldering paste here too. This is very important. This is used for cleaning up dirt or brushing up the motherboard to make sure that it doesn't pick up any dirt while repairing the mobile phone. On the other hand, we have the soldering lead. This is a thin lead used for soldering. This is to plaster in iron into a motherboard, and this is very important. And now, let's move all this aside. Let's talk about the 28-pin screwdrivers. With me, I have the main screwdriver here. I have a tweezer and some other pins. You can see the pin. These screwdrivers help in repairing difficult screws, like screws that you rarely see them in some devices. So this is a 28 pin screwdriver set. It will help you. So let's get back. Now, mobile repairs is an interesting video. It's an interesting course. It's just for you to take your time and do this thing right and correctly. If you can get this, it will be easy for you. So these are the standard equipment you need. Like I said before, soldering iron, your brush, your soldering paste, your 28 pin screwdriver, your soldering lead, magnifying glass, and the standard screwdrivers. So all these things will help you in mobile repairs. Thank you. Now let's talk about the cons of mobile repairs, the bad side or the downfall of mobile repairs. In mobile repairs, you may not see or detect the problem at the first look or first scan. To detect the problem may not be easy. 2. Most of these logic board or motherboard are very fragile.